Well, howdy folks, and in this video we're going to show you how to get started with Slam-In Match Manager, our QuizBowl Pro software. And you're going to see a lot of the old branding that we've had with the old Slam-In branding, but it's still the same software that we are offering for our customers. So to go ahead and get started, let's double click on the Slam-In icon here, and you'll see this screen pop up first. And you've got three choices. We can open an official settings file right here in the middle. We can open something that we previously saved, or we can establish something ourselves from scratch. A couple quick notes here down at the bottom. If you get this message, you can check your version on our website to see which version we're currently running and which one's available for you to get, along with some release notes. And if you click there to update, then you will close the program and go straight to our website, where you can get an update right away and pick that up to update your software. But this 4.1.090, that's our newest version that we're running. So I'm pretty sure we're up to date here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open an official settings file. And when we do that, it takes us to this dialog box right here, and you can see we've got a lot of preset files of settings already. Florida Commissioner's Academic Challenge, there's Countdown for Math Counts, National Science Bowl, Kentucky Quick Recall, NAQT, and Illinois formats for elementary school and high school. So I'm going to click on NAQT Scholastic, and we're going to go ahead and bring that up. And now we get to our main screen here, and you'll see two tabs at the top: Setup and Play. Setup is where you're going to do all of your match settings and roster entry and everything, and then Play is when you're actually going to play the match. And just a quick little overview of these menu things up at the top. So I'm going to start with the file, and you're going to see 5 options there, including exit. Load settings and save settings would be your settings files that we've just talked about. Import and export refers to a spreadsheet that has been generated by QuizBowl Pro Match Manager as we move along throughout your match. And we'll talk more about that in a future video on how that works. If you want to open your public display is an extra screen that you can extend to a projected screen, and that would allow an audience to be able to see the match in progress, along with a live scoreboard, who's ringing in, the timers. And you could even do a logo on that to really make it work well, and we'll show you that in a future one too. IP address and users are not things that you're going to worry too much about, but devices are something that you may be concerned with if you got the old slammer boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and if you've got the old Slam-In boxes that have the 9-volt batteries, the rectangular boxes, the current work slammers is what you're going to want to select. If you have our power grip hand triggers or our dome buzzers, you're going to want to select affordable buzzers as your device. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for our affordable buzzers. And the help also gets you to our support and the about, which gives the information about what version we're running, etc., etc. So that's a pretty quick introduction on how to get into our match manager, and you can change your file settings for your matches just by hitting load and save, and we'll talk more about that in a future video. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.